Hello. This is part 2 of 5 of how can you listen to your body to regulate? How can I really connect with myself to step into listening so that you can be more present, so that you can understand what your body needs? I am a coach and dietitian. I've worked with people for almost 20 years, 2 decades on health, nutrition, movement, stress management, business building, and some of the key frameworks that we use. If you can really understand what you're wanting, really understand what's important to you, that will help you to get to where you want to go. I think a lot of times we listen to what people tell us to do and it's not what we want to do, and then we burn out, like chronic dieting, or we're doing the same things over and over again to build a business and it's not working. So part 1 of 5 was noticing what's important. So in terms of what am I actually wanting? What am I actually feeling? And there's 2 questions: is what do I want to feel right now? And what am I wanting to have? Whoops. Sorry. And what am I wanting to have right now? What are those are 2 questions that can be from video 1. So video 2, we're going to focus on how can I listen to myself without judgment? So a lot of times we judge how we feel. That can look like, oh, I'm just being so stupid. Oh, I just shouldn't have done that. And you can notice your body language where you're just very uncomfortable or embarrassed to be yourself. And in dieting world, it's, oh my gosh, I've just been so bad. I can't believe I've eaten this. Or you're eating in secret, or you don't want to be honest with what you're eating. And there's a lot of judgment that comes. It could also be, I don't want to tell people my weight. I don't want to talk about my health. I'm embarrassed. And that embarrassment is because you think you should be somewhere else. Some language to look for is, I don't care what happens in my health. I'm just in denial. Or how could I have done something like this? I just can't believe I'm eating this way again. I really wanted to do this, or I wish I could have done that. So all of these types of phrases are a sign or a red flag, or maybe a green flag. Hey, what's going on here? And a lot of times we don't know that we're saying these things. And so to transform, to heal, to really listen to yourself, having someone doing that with you, whether that be a coach or a therapist or a friend or an advisor or whatever, to witness and to not judge you, to not try to fix you, to sit in your discomfort with you safely. That's a very rare find to have. So a lot of times it's, can you listen to me and not give me advice? Can you do that for yourself? Can you listen to yourself and not try to fix it? One tangible thing is self-talk. Talk to yourself out loud. Listen to what you're thinking. Listen and experience what you're feeling. Thinking and feeling are different, and they're very, very mixed up sometimes. Is we think we know what we're feeling, but your brain doesn't actually feel, your body does. So being safe to be you can sometimes take a lot of work, especially if you've had a lot of story, a lot of trauma, a lot of events that have really impacted you, have really kept you in a state of dysregulation. All right, so 1 is really noticing what you're actually wanting, what you're wanting to feel, what you're wanting to have. And then 2 is being safe to be you. They're very difficult, very simple. But how can you be safe to be you today? Hope this helps. Stay tuned for part 3.